What's up guys, and today I'm gonna show you how you can create these epic cinematic black bars. We go straight to Premiere. Let's start to create. Alright, so guys, welcome in Premiere, and we're gonna go and create the first black cinematic bars. We're gonna import our footage right here, and then we're gonna create an adjustment layer. Right here, we're gonna drag it over our video clip, and then bam, we're gonna import the crop effect right in adjustment layer, and we're gonna type in, because we want to crop the top of the video, of course, and we're gonna crop it to, let's say, 15, and we want to crop the bottom as well to 15. Boom, and there you have these epic cinematic black bars. It is done, it is easy to do, and you can do it as well. So let's zoom a little bit in. Let's zoom a little bit in the video clip. Very easy guys, and in here you can of course play around in how extreme you want to have these black bars. You can go all the way to 20, or you can go even further. It depends on your own style and what you like. So I was doing some research on the internet, and I came across a really cool pack. It was a free pack, and they included all different kind of letterboxes. So I downloaded immediately the Letterbox template, and here you can choose your resolution. So I'm working in a 1080p timeline, and here I can choose between different letterboxes. Alright, so for example guys, if you know the movie The Hateful Eight or Napoleon 1080p, you can choose between these resolutions. So for example, let's take ultra wide. Bam, drag it over your video clip, and you don't need to have to do anything. You got these black bars just perfect for your video. So let's take another one right here, or just say, let's take the Hateful Eight because I like the video. Bam. Alright, so the next thing, you are done with your video, and now you want to show your video on YouTube. And there is one problem, and that is, I will show you that right now, because you did basically this. Alright, so people see the black bars on your video, and on your mobile phone it looks something like this when you have your screen horizontally. You still see the black bars on top, and you still see the black bars on the bottom. Now let's go back to our PC, and what we want to create, because we want to fill our whole screen with our video, we want to create something like this. Alright, so you don't see the black bars, but they are still there when I open up the video and I watch it. In the entire screen on my laptop, you will see these black bars. But for your mobile phone, it is different, because when I open up this video on my mobile phone, you will see that you don't have any black bars on top or on the bottom, and that's something you want, because you want to fill up your entire screen with your video on your phone. So how can you do that? I'm gonna show you the trick. It is very, very simple and easy, and you can do it as well. Right, so we go back to Premiere Pro, and we're gonna delete this Hateful Eight letterbox, because you want to first create a new sequence. So let's say this sequence is just perfect, but I want to change the frame size. Alright, so for 1080p for HD users, you want to change it to 1920 by 822, and just check what happens here in the screen. Bam. Alright guys, so now you work in this ratio right here without these black bars, but when you're gonna export this video, you still have the black bars. And that's something that you really want. Alright guys, for the people who are editing in 4K, of course you want to change your settings right here. You want to change your frame size because you want to edit in, let me see, it was 38, so 3840 and 16 by and 1644. So 3840 by 1644 does the job for 4K footage. There you go. And you see that I am not using 4K footage but 1080p, but this is perfect for 4K. Alright guys, I hope this makes your life a lot easier. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and leave me a comment, and I will check you in the next video. See ya!